Fix the following components are required to run this program error in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Install the latest Windows updates. One of the main components that are missing is DirectX from Microsoft. Usually, users have an outdated version or don't even have it installed. To install it, you need to implement all the Windows updates, especially if you haven't been installing them for a while. Fix 2. Check your system for corruption. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all commands, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. Fix 3. Install DirectX legacy components. In some cases, the newest DirectX version is not what causes the following components are required to run this program error. Some older games require components from older DirectX versions. Fix 4. Install Visual C++. Fix 5. Reinstall the game. If none of the solutions worked, reinstalling the game that's producing the following components are required to run this program error. You can do so in many different ways. For example, on Steam, you can right-click on the game in your library and select Manage Uninstall.